this video here is more on the what I'll call the making the sausage, how I do some of my merch production here in the office at home when I'm not out on the road and making content for you. This is actually in response to a Reddit post by user Riley9578. They've been working with me. There's an issue with these cutters on the cutting sheets. They only come with one cutting mat, one cutting sheet. It's 12 by 12. It's orange, and it's a medium grip-ish. You use them enough, and they kind of lose their grip. Now, you can wash them with some dish soap and hot water, let them dry out on their own. They get sticky again, but that only works for so long, and the plastic of the cutting mat's eventually going to get wonky. You need a way to replace them. Now, in Riley's experience, they were only able to get the orange cutting mats to work. I found a set that has the orange cutting mats, but they got other colors there, and I got curious. Here's my experience with non-orange cutting mats. Let me share it with you.
Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the river's where I live, where I live.
Okay, the Vevor Smart 1 vinyl cutter. That orange cutting sheet, Vevor doesn't offer replacements for, and orange cutting sheets are a problem to find. I found one, but they're really hard to find replacements, and rumor has it that any color other than orange doesn't work. But let me show you. I found ones that work. Of course, the issue is with the print and cut, and that is kind of a raspberry color. Standard grip. Sorry, I still have the protective sheet on it, or I put the protective sheet back on it. That's a standard grip. Hello Hobby brand. I bought those in a multi-pack through Walmart. Okay, so let's do the print and cut job. We've already got the file open for a sheet of stickers. Send to device. Printed out the direction I want them. Print settings are where I want them. My primary, it's not my sublimation printer. Send to printer. And we'll be back in just a second. Okay, one sheet of stickers. One cutting sheet. Take the protective film off. Set it aside. Well, it's not perfectly even, and the standard grip is not letting go, but we're good and solid there. And within the lines, hopefully the cutter will figure it out. Let's move over to the cutter. All right, so I'm not going to show what I'm doing in software, but I'm clicking on the cutter, use cutting mat. I've chosen sticker paper card because this is stickers. I'm going to send it to the cutter. The pickups on mine aren't super accurate. So I've got to pick up on the tail end, but that's a minor foible. I don't know if you can see what the scan head is doing. It looks to be scanning in the right places. Okay, we'll come back when we peel it off. And there you go. We've got 6 stickers cut out. Thanks for watching our latest video. If you like what we're doing here, please click that like button, share this video with your friends, your neighbors, whoever you think would benefit from seeing it, and make sure, if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. If you want other opportunities to support our work, go to www.wildersportoutdoors.com. We've got merch for sale there, including our tumblers, shirts, both short sleeve and long sleeve, ball caps, we've got stickers, and we've got some specialized outdoor gear, or at least outdoor related gear, for those of you with certain medical conditions. Things that'll help, not necessarily medical gear, but things that'll help you tidy things up and make it easier in the camper. That's it for now. I hope you have a great day. And like I always say, get out there, be busy, be safe, be productive, but most importantly, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.
But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember why. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No times, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you know